Okay. Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you. Sorry, mine keeps doing that. So today I'm gonna show you how to make how to glitch a text in Blender. Well, right now it's easy. It's easy. So right now, and 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 actually the glitching effects of bo- box sphere, icosphere, torus, this this a cylinder, cone, UV sphere, and UV sphere, and monkey. He is really coming soon, and for that. So, anyways, what's up, monkey? Oh, you're having a great day, huh? Well, I'll be right back, monkey. I'll put you back where you belong. Anyways, sorry, I was having a little talk with monkey here, and then, okay, so right now we're gonna add text. Also, make sure it's on center, and also center. Or so you can also, so it could work like automatically. Anyways, here it is. Here's the text. But the problem is if we glitch that thing, which means 2D, it will not work. So right now, let's press G, Z, and move a little bit here. So, okay, so right here. Okay, so right now, we're gonna go to geometry, extrude, and like I said last time, I'm with the letter rigging tutorial. Well, you can do what you can type what number you want to use to extrude. Right now, I'm gonna use 15 again because I like this. But if you do 1, like I said in last Blender tutorial, look, it looks so a lot of extrude. So remember, leave it dot whatever or number you wanna extrude it. also the max of this is minimum. The max of this is extrude is .27 or .30. The minimum is 0.1. Okay, so let me go back to the thing that I was extruding on. Okay, anyways, so just change text whatever you want. Something you want to be. I'm gonna type glitched for a tutorial. Okay, so you can use the diff whatever you want to be. You want to be the max of this is 0.08. Hey. So I'm gonna use 0.002 for my best thing of the result of this. Okay, so right now it's getting a little bit lag because as you can see in a wireframe, you'll see that it was a lot of vertices in there and need to be merged vertices by distance. So we're gonna make this we're gonna convert to mesh right now. Go to tab mode, A, merge vertices by distance, and you will see that it could remove whatever vertices that it has, and then it worked, and now finally worked. Now it's a little bit lag, but actually there's one thing I gotta say, is that weird shading over here. How did it got here? Well, I don't know. Oh, it just really did that as possible. And I don't know. I guess I shouldn't do that. Lol, I can't fix this weird shading, and because yeah, I'm a beginner of this, but I know everything I could even make this. Okay, right now on modifier, there's modifier tab, and we're gonna have just so we're gonna select displace modifier, and you will see that it was gonna get really crazy. Yeah, I don't know why it's going on here. I don't know why it really want to do that. Okay, I put that back to normal. A little bit more. if you click new, you will see that it was really crazy. Oh wait, I almost forgot about this one. Sorry, it was an inconvenience, guys. It was an inconvenience, guys. It's my fault. You can select font and use whatever you want to use on it. To use the font. Since I was gonna choose since I was gonna be choosing something, I got something secret that it was on a Chromebook. If you go to Fonts Chrome OS, you'll see the Google Sans, and it got a lot of things. I use bold already to make this nice looking thing. Yeah, I just used it. So I used that for myself. Okay, so merge vertices by distance. Oh man, it got a lot of vertices right here. yeah, sometimes Google Sans actually does the really crazy one. Whatever it is. It doesn't have to be, it doesn't matter. You'll see a weird shading, lol. I don't know. It just kept doing that. Anyways, back to displace modifier. We're gonna click new right now. Let's keep it 0. And a weird one is your font is looking different. It was really weird that you must say that it's just really weird. It kept doing weird. Well, sometimes text does weird things. But anyway, go press the click new. I forgot to say that I must do this for that. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so we're gonna rename it glitch material for that. Now we're gonna open an image. I forgot to say that leave it an image or movie because if you do type something right here, it could not work properly. So if you got a screen in glitch, it's a video. And just import it to that. If it doesn't load image, hit on it. Go to file again. where the box is. Go to pack image tech. Go to a folder with the pack with the on the left of the pack image. And find the tech the screen glitch video that you are looking for. If you want to download the same one, just link in the description below. Oh, and then use the application or online to convert her YouTube to MP4. That could even work. Okay, once you got here just click this one. Click that that thumbnail that has glitched on it, and then click accept. And voila, you will see this one glitching out. And yeah. Note. Please note that if you have a slow computer, it could even crash automatically during your project, because it doesn't have to be because if you have a slow computer while playing that test that to play that final render material or whatever it is, it could crash. So be careful. Anyways, and that's it. You have a nice looking glitch one. Now you have a glitch effect of the text. Now you can apply all and then make this the best one ever. To make the best one ever. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.